Alright guys, so as you can see here, this is a payment of $13, $29, $5 and $5 by someone. So I'm going to be showing in this video you can also do this for yourself and make free money for yourself by just doing simple tasks like you can watch a video and get paid $1 thereabouts. So it's actually very simple to do. So just watch this video to the end. Then make sure you subscribe and like this video to make this money. So I'm going to teach you step by step how to do this for yourself. So just watch this video to the end while I teach you. Alright guys, so before we get started, this is a website that you can actually make cool cash from, where you can get paid up to like maybe $1 for watching one YouTube video, or $0.5 for joining a Telegram group. It's that simple. It's just simple tasks that you do on the website and you get paid. There are different payment methods also. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this website and how to withdraw also. So if you are interested in this, just make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So learn how to make money. I'm going to teach you personally how you can make free money online with different apps, websites, and cryptocurrencies. So you can check my previous videos here. That's basically what we do here. We teach you guys how you can make free money with your smartphone or laptop or whatever device you're using. So if you're interested in making money online, only if you're interested in making money online, make sure you subscribe. If you're not interested, please do not subscribe, as it won't help our channel. But if you're interested, subscribe, as it's a free way of supporting us in this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to fast forward this part because it's actually require you to verify captcha and it's going to take time. So just go to this site, speakleworkers.com, but you won't be able to earn from the site by just going there. That's why I say you should watch the video to the end. So I'm going to be teaching you that some tricks that you need to do to be able to make money and withdraw from this website, which I'll be teaching you. To register is actually easy. Just click on sign up there. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to log into my account. So I'll fast forward this part. Now this part are not important. It's just captcha verification stuff. Okay, now so we verify the captcha. So as you can see here, this is the interface of the website. So you can see the website name here. But now let me just show you the tricks you need to do to be able to make money. So this is my second account. This is not my real account. So that's why the balance here is showing zero. So as you can see here, there are different tasks you can do. So for this one, you just sign up on an app or a website. I don't know. So you get paid $0.17 for that. I'm just giving you the basic rundown of the website, but I'm going to be teaching you some other steps you need to do to be able to withdraw. As I said, if you watch the video to the end. So you can just scroll down. So as you can see this one, you just visit this website here and get paid $0.05. So just basic. There are different things like that. So all of them are very easy to do. So you can basically just see more of them. So now to get the targeted one like the YouTube videos and Telegram channel is actually also very easy. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can do that right now instead of just wasting your time on several other tasks. So there are a lot of withdrawal methods on this websites. So to get those ones of video, just click on this place so you can see here sign up. That's for apps and websites. If you want to register and get paid. So sign up. Telegram, you can see Telegram here. You can see video marketing. That's for YouTube. Then the search and click is for like websites. Those ones you just visit websites. Then you share proof that you've gone to the website, so you get paid for that. So let's just click on video marketing here. So you can also control the price here, the price of the gig, like the payments, how much you want it to be. So from 0.02 to $1.5, you can control that also there. So once you are done with it, you just click on apply. So this is, as you can see, this one is YouTube search plus 1 minute view, but this one is very low. So you don't need to do this one, but let me just show you how you can complete this task. So you can look for high paying tasks here and do them. So here you can just scroll to the bottom here, so you see what's expected from you. Go to YouTube and search for blah blah Call of Duty Vanguard or something. So this is the thumbnail. Just look for the video and watch the video for 1 minute and answer the questions on it. So and you can see the required proof here. What is the first step on the info notepad? You can get that from watching the video. I don't recommend doing this. You can just look for a better offer for doing that. So this is just an example. So let's go back now. So alright, you can scroll to the bottom. You can see this one. Just subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Get paid $0.04. So I'm still going to get to the withdrawal aspect. So just hold on to that. So you can just check for many more. As you can see, there are high paying ones. I don't know why it's not bringing up those high paying ones. Alright, for this one, just watch the video. You get paid $0.3. You should, if you're lucky, you should be able to get this some tasks of $1 thereabouts or $1 upwards. So you can do those there. So all right, what's next? What's next? All right, so for Telegram, let's just check Telegram. You can get some Telegram tasks. So just click on that and click on apply. So as you can see here, this is a Telegram task also. Must see airdrop. So you can, if you join this airdrop here, they will actually pay you. But this is not where I get my airdrops from. I don't know if these ones are legit or not. So you can join at your own risk. But I'm not sure if this ones are legit. But do not. I'm going to say this is for educational purposes only. Do not pay anything to join any airdrop, or don't pay anything on this side, because they're the ones that are meant to pay you, not the other way around. So all right. Yeah. So I think that's just it. You can just scroll down, check the tasks. These are the required proof for the task. Just screenshot of the tokens received, then Telegram username also. And that one is simple, anyways. So now I think it's time we get to. I think yeah, the withdrawal. Let me teach you guys how you can place withdrawal here. So let's just go back here, then click on wallet. What you just is click on wallet. So once you click on wallet, you see wallet withdrawals and transactions. So if this is my previous account, I've seen the withdrawal record, but this is not it. So just click on, so to request for withdrawal, just click on request withdrawal here. So this is the button here. The button is down here. You can just click on it. So it's still loading. I don't know why it's taking this long. So let's just wait for it to load, so I can explain how you can actually place withdrawal. Okay, it has loaded. So once you scroll down, you can see the different method of withdrawal. There's ATM, there's Litecoin, there's PayPal, there's Skrill method of withdrawal. So if you anyone that you're comfortable with, you can use. For those that are in Nigeria that don't have PayPal or ATM or cryptocurrency, anyone you can just use anyone in Nigeria. You can use either PayPal, Litecoin, or Skrill, or even ATM. You can just choose anyone if you know how to do it. So you can just choose any one of those. But I use Litecoin most of the time with that, because you can just exchange it for crypto immediately, then sort yourself out with that. So that's how you can withdraw from. So they pay within 10 days, but it's not usually 10 days. It's just about maybe 24 hours upwards. And the minimum withdrawal is about $5, $5.6. That's the minimum threshold. So once you reach that level, you can actually withdraw from it.